May ikan ni katupya. Paibong peg. Tong mamaya manu ba ay mayame yang badi Christmas. Hatu simi ang gumno. Menyetok mamaya bi maya. Sisa. Ban tere maya me me. Maya li cakap angel sya.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kaseng Hspdp kala Iaroh yak Sorkar MDA kabayalam du menteri rangba konrad ke sangma namar bak Sorkar kala shimikarai ban pelong Ktien Sorkar no yak Ktien Khasi bak Ktien Garo. Presiden ke Hspdp ba KP pangyang ulong bagani karai bak Sorkar kala shim kandai ke khubor ke bak Sorkar India kanyu i ke jingdon kam ban penrung no yak Ktien Khasi Garo ha ke kernet ke bapra jong riti sinchar kari India.
Regarding the recognition of the Khasi and Garo language in the state of Meghalaya, the Hspdp, we want to congratulate our Honorable Chief Minister and his cabinet because of his able and dynamic leadership. He has taken this decision to recognize the Khasi and Garo language in the state of Meghalaya. Why we are congratulating him? Because the demand of recognition of the Khasi and Garo languages, it has been a long demand of the party. We have flagged this issue in the manifesto of the party since during Bahawping Soon as the leader of the party till date, and recently we have submitted also the demand for amendment of associate official language to the Honorable Chief Minister on 14 August 2024, and we have mentioned why we need the recognition of the languages. At the same time, we have submitted on the 24th of July 2025 or so, and we had a long discussion regarding the need to implement and to recognize the Khasi and Garo language in the state. So, as the party, as one of the party which is part and parcel of this MDA government, we are so thankful to the government. And we feel so happy because the day one when we come to form the government in the MDA umbrella, we are coming with the purpose and intention that some of our major issues laid down in our manifesto of the party should be carried out forward by the government when we are part and parcel of this government, MDA government 1 and 2. But now, I hope that recognizing the Khasi and Garo language as the state language, I hope that it will send a strong message to the government of India to get the recognition and to be recognized these two languages under the issue to the Constitution of India. We hope that this step will send a strong message to the government of India, and the government of India will look into matter. At the same time, we express and we urge the government today to pursue this matter with the government of India.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple doorsteps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.